Hi, my name is Mariah Starnes, and this is my video for Module 1. I had the opportunity to interview with one of the elementary school principals at USD 428 in Great Bend, and we spoke about KISA and the 5 Rs. And so here are some of her responses to a few of the questions given for the assignment. I spoke to her about if there were any meetings that she attended about the process. She said that they had them at the district office for several of the administrations, and they were able to bring someone in to discuss for about 2 days the rubrics in detail. When asked about what structures does the district have in place for KISA, she said that we are currently in year 5, and in March they will have their final OVT visit and will lay out their case for accreditation, data, goals, and move on from there. Has the OVT been selected? And she said yes. The teams are the MTSS trainers, since that was selected before they begin the KISA process. And so they track the goals and see how the impacts of the goals were on the students' learning and to prepare for the next cycle, which we will start in March. And this is a district-wide thing. What Rs did our district select? Were responsive culture and relationships. Now, for responsive cultures, the way that our building supports it is through the MTSS process, intervention groups, assessments and screenings, um, and then to see if the whole process needs to be realigned. And for relationships, they do the PLCs, which I had to ask what it meant. It was professional learning committees that they attend. Does our district have a district site council? Yes, they are representatives from each buildings, some of the community members, instructors, parents, educators, people from our industries around our area as well. How does the building site council support the selected Rs? They are more of an advisory. They share rubrics and where we are and what to do, and they will give suggestions when it comes to parents' involvement. What information has been shared with the Board of Education? The district has shared the logistics, and they will in March when they start the cycle one more time for year 1, since we are currently in year 5. Do the goals align with KISA? And how do the teachers support the Rs? They align and reflect back. In the process of doing so to make new goals, KISA approve of it. They meet in work sessions. They speak about rubrics with the staff. They do some fact finding, and they offer suggestions on where to go from here. And then what impacts do the selected Rs have on my planning and or instructions? She stated that they are kind of the central to everything that guides all the building goals and for the professional development plans. So that was my interview with one of our elementary principals over the 5 Rs and KISA. So thank you.